Good day to all of you. Myself, Savant Ajay Kumar Bhaskar, Assistant Professor of Farm Machinery and Power Engineering Department at Shiv Shankar College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, Mirasgaon, affiliated by Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapit Rahuri. Now, today's lecture on the application as well as the comparison of two-stroke and four-stroke engine. So, firstly, we will see the application of this four-stroke as well as two-stroke petrol engine as well as diesel engine, the various automotive sector as well as the marine sector as well as the aircraft. So how it will be, where should be used this engine? So firstly, it should be used in the automobile, truck, bus, tractor. It is also used in locomotive in case of stationary operation, marine type of work, aircraft, small portable, chainsaw as well as the model airplane. So next one is the comparison of two-stroke cycle engine with the four-stroke cycle engine. Two-stroke cycle engine, its weight is lighter. In case of four-stroke cycle engine, its weight is heavier. Two-stroke cycle engine operates in many positions. In case of four-stroke cycle engine, it should be operate in limited position. That means it has some limitation for the operations as well as operates. High power to weight ratio in case of two-stroke engine. In case of four-stroke cycle engine, its ratio is lower power to the weight ratio. Lower power to weight, its ratio. Engine oil usually mixed with fuel. In case of two-stroke cycle engine oil in a reservoir. In case of four-stroke cycle engine, that means oil is to be mixed with fuel. Only it should be happen in two-stroke. This system is not happen in four-stroke cycle engine. Louder operation, it should be the quieter operation. Louder operation in two-stroke cycle engine and the quieter operation in four-stroke cycle engine. In two-stroke cycle engine, you will get the higher engine speed. In four-stroke cycle engine, you will get the slower engine speed. Two-stroke cycle engine, during the operation, you will experiencing the more vibration. In case of four-stroke cycle engine, you will experiencing the smooth operations. In case of two-stroke cycle engine, rough idling operation. In case of four-stroke cycle engine, smoother idling operations. So if you highlighting the 2 to 3 points are very important for comparing the two-stroke as well as four-stroke cycle engine. Number first is to become the vibration. You will experiencing more vibration in two-stroke, and the vibration level is to become very low in four-stroke cycle. That means only smoother operation. Next one important thing is to become higher engine speed. If you want to achieve the higher speed, you will choose the two-stroke cycle engine, and the slower engine speed, that means you choose the four-stroke cycle engine. Definitely these two are the very important things. That means you will operating any vehicles in the slower speed, you will getting the less vibration. If you operating in the higher speed, you will get the more vibration. These are the comparisons of two-stroke cycle engine and the four-stroke cycle engine. See here, this one is the engine. In this engine, I am trying to show you the various parts of engine. That means pistons, connecting rod, crankshaft, big end bearing, inlet hole, exhaust hole, these chains, gears, camshaft, crankshaft. These are the various parts are to be inserted in internal combustion engine. Okay, thank you.